So let's go over the template itself. Here's the template. And it has a pointy side. And then this side here I call the arrow. I don't know why, I call it the arrow. And then it has a 1/2-inch circle. So you have this template, this, and everything. So and then you also have lines here where you can do straight lines. So we're going to do, oops, I don't want to do the circle. We're going to do the diamond, but we're going to put this part in the middle, in the very center. And then we're going to do a diamond. Now, when you come up and you hit the line, you can immediately go that way, or you can take a couple stitches forward, whatever makes you happy. And I'm going to do this on all 8 points, and it makes a really nice design in the middle, and it's really small. And this is the last one. So I lock those stitches by going back away from center and then coming back. So, but there's the design. And just like this one, I mean, it comes out really nice. And you don't visually see that when you first look at the template.